What's up, trick-or-treaters? It's Wednesday, the day before Halloween. How are you doing? Guess what we have in the kitchen today? We got the Wolf Stand Mixer. We have been waiting on this mixer for 2 months. They told everybody it was going to be released. We waited and waited. I finally got the chance to order, and guess what? I waited and waited again. But after about a month and a half, the Wolf is finally in the kitchen. So, what's up? Tomorrow is Halloween. Let's get this Wolf out of the box. So, Minnie wants this Wolf out of the box. So, a couple months ago, someone in the Amy Learns to Cook Facebook group tipped me off that Wolf was coming out with a new stand mixer. If you've never heard of Wolf, Wolf is owned by Sub-Zero. It's a high-end kitchen appliance brand. And they do have a line of small appliances, and this is the very first time that they brought out a mixer. And I think we're one of the first to have one in our kitchen. I have been waiting patiently, very, very patiently for this mixer. And I think the problem was I bought it from Williams-Sonoma instead of directly from their website because I got a discount. And they jumped the gun about when this was ready. So it didn't ship for another month and a half. So I pestered them. I moaned and complained. I kept saying in the Facebook group, "Where's the Wolf? Where's the Wolf?" And guess what? It's finally time just for Halloween. Perfect, right? The wolf in time for Halloween. So, an interesting question came up about this mixer. And it kind of didn't necessarily concern me, but it confused me. Because Wolf is known for making appliances here in the U.S., and I kind of figured that their small appliance line was made overseas. But when we got alert that the Wolf was on its way from UPS, the tracking said it's coming from Hamilton Beach Brands. And I like Hamilton Beach fine enough. They have a commercial line that's used in the industry that's really expensive and they're high end, but they also have, common everyday kind of department store, discount store appliances, and they've all been good. My shock was the fact that this is a $900 mixer. And after doing a little research, I learned that Wolf has contracted out the manufacture of their small appliances to Hamilton Beach. So I'm hoping that this is going to be in the style of Hamilton Beach's commercial mixers, because if it's not, I'm going to be a little concerned, right? Halloween brings out the weird in everybody, including Eric. If that's possible. I know one thing, it's a big box. Okay. It has a retail box in here. So, Jason. Hi, Jason. Can you open it for me?
Is this where all the retired killers go? Cooking shows on YouTube?
One flap is underneath.
Huh? Flap's good, flap's good. Oh.
Come on, Jason. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! The Wolf. Oh. I guess there won't be a Friday the 13th part 13. So guys, here's the wolf. The wolf is in the house. Okay, so it's out of the box, and let's take a look at this thing a little bit. So what's unique about this mixer is it has this bowl that it's obviously a bowl lift model, but you raise the bowl not by a lever, you raise it by turning the knob. That raises the bowl. That's really interesting. It has your standard attachments. It has a hub. It has a variable infinite speed with pulse control. So the speeds are infinite, all between the high and the low. That's really interesting. So let's get this baby open. This thing is huge. We have a really big quick tips guide that has everything on how to use it. That thing is huge. We have a warranty card. Yay. We have a manual. Let me get these attachments out of here. And assistant.
There's no axe in there. Ow! See what I gotta put up with? Marriage.
I think they give you a black knob and their classic red knob.
Workers comp. Oh, my back, my back, my back.
I ain't got no insurance, so
Where's my back?
you're gonna have to sue me.
There's a dirty box on the dirty ground.
Wow. This is not your grandma's Hamilton Beach mixer. Oh my gosh. This thing is a beast. It smells greasy. Smells kind of greasy.
Well, it could be the stainless steel might have oil on it.
Yeah.
Keep it from rusting.
Seems like there's a little rust spot right there. Wow, guys. I don't know what to say, except wow. Wow. It does smell kind of greasy. So here is our whip, and it's kind of a strange shape. It's like flat. It's kind of hard to see, but it's a little flat.
It's rectangular. It's wide
Yeah.
in one direction and not wide the other. It's definitely not round.
Wow. This is crazy. Here's the bowl. And it is wider than a lot of mixer bowls that I've seen. It actually looks kind of wide, so that's kind of interesting. So your bowl goes in here, obviously, and it goes down. So when you move, I don't know how this works. So when you move the handle, oh, it does go up. Look at that. That's kind of interesting. Ooh. So they give you an extra thing if you want black instead of the red for the handle. This thing is beast-like. Nice C-shaped, really nice pouring shield. So here's the dough hook, and I don't know what this is made out of. It's just like a painted steel or something. I don't know.
Well, it's lightweight. You think it's coated aluminum?
No. I don't know what that is.
What I'm saying is, for the size, it's not that heavy, so it could be aluminum that they've then coated with paint or something.
It does have a hub up front. So it's got a hub. And we'll raise the bowl and turn it on. Here we go. It's very quiet. It wobbles a little bit. That's interesting. It's very high end, like
it has a soft start, right?
That's the pulse.
Do you think it's wobbling because the counter's not level, Amy?
I doubt that. It's a beast of a machine, I can tell you that. The base on it is flipping huge. I'm not exactly sure why it wobbles, but that's what it is. So we are going to do a full test and review of the Wolf Stand Mixer. It is in the house, and I'm ready to see what this baby can do. So stay tuned, because we're going to put it through the full Amy Learns to Cook review process. So cooks, it's Wednesday, tomorrow's Halloween. I hope you have a great one. We got a bunch of candy we're going to be giving out. We always get a lot of kids, so we usually have a lot of fun. Also going to be handing out some candy at work, so we're going to really enjoy the day. I hope you have a great one. I hope you have the opportunity to get a little treat yourself and pull out your mixer and maybe make some cupcakes or something for Halloween. It would be a lot of fun. So we got the Wolf Stand Mixer in the house. It's Wednesday. What's up? If you like this video, please subscribe below. leave me a comment and a like, and visit my website at amylearnstocook.com. I'm also on social media at Pinterest and Twitter at Amy Learns to Cook. You can catch me on Facebook. We will be talking about this mixer in that group, facebook.com/groups/Amy Learns to Cook. You can also catch me on Instagram at Cookin' with Amy, and don't forget to subscribe below, hit the bell so you get notified of our next uploads. Happy Wednesday and happy Halloween. Uh-oh, 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 no, 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 no.
Now, folks, in all fairness, this is a 39-pound box. Do you think anything at Walmart from Hamilton Beach is going to weigh 39 pounds?
No.
I don't think so. So, I say we continue with the unboxing.
Psycho!
Ah! I'll try that at work.
We'll leave it to this, right?
Cut! Oh, that hurt. Oh, I gotta do my own stunts. You can call us Wolf versus Jason.
It has a variable speed mixing, it has a variable infinite.
Variable infinity.